Hey everyone, so today I want to show you some photos I took on a recent trip to Arkansas. I drove through the morning about 5 a.m. and arrived around 7:30, knowing I could hopefully catch the elk in the valley. And when I first got there, I stopped and flew the drone, so I'm going to show you some of those drone shots here. All right, so you've seen the drone photos and the footage, and from that I didn't fly into the national forest because you can't do that. I just wanted to clarify. So then I dropped into the valley and the fog was super dense, and you will see that in these photos I'll be showing you right here of the elk and some of my hiking photos of when the fog was still settled in the valley, and here they are. So as you guys see, the fog was super dense down in the valley, which made getting the photos a little harder and a lot of overshooting to make sure I was hitting focus on the elk and the structures and just the trails that I was shooting. I did close down my aperture to, I think, f5.6 on most of the shots all day, just to make sure there's enough in focus. And you know, sometimes I get stuck shooting everything at f1.4 or f2.8 with these lenses, but sometimes you just have to close it down to make sure you get more in focus so you can really see the scenery or the subject you were shooting. I also shot some in the HDR that's built into the Canon R6. So from here I went to a couple waterfalls and I'll be showing you guys those. As you see in these photos is peak color down in this area of Arkansas right now with the fall colors and everything. It looked awesome. It was an awesome day to go hiking. The high was like 63, and so I just had a really good time getting out there, even though I was by myself, and just exploring and seeing some new areas that I haven't seen in this area. And so that's the end of this video. Soon I will have a video over a roll of film that I shot on a hike in Arkansas with the fall colors and a new manual focus 200 f4 lens for my Nikon f4. And I will also have a video coming on the R6, 120 frames in 1080p, so keep an eye out for that. I would appreciate if you guys would like and subscribe, and I will see you next time.